Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cheese Uttapam. First, let's talk about the batter. You'll need a well-fermented rice and lentil batter, ideally prepared the night before. It should have a thick, pourable consistency, much like pancake batter. Don't forget to add a small pinch of salt to the batter. This simple step truly enhances the overall flavor of your Uttapam. This foundational step is key for a perfect result. Next, let's get our delicious toppings ready. You'll want to finely chop 1 small onion, 1 green chili, and about a 1/4 cup of colorful bell peppers. For the star ingredient, grate approximately 1/2 cup of your preferred cheese. Mozzarella or cheddar work wonderfully. Combine these freshly chopped vegetables and the grated cheese in a small bowl. This vibrant mixture will add incredible flavor and texture to your Uttapam. Now it's time to cook. Heat a non-stick griddle or tawa over medium heat and lightly grease it with a little oil. Pour about 1/2 cup of your prepared batter onto the griddle, spreading it gently into a thick, round disc. Immediately sprinkle a generous amount of your cheese and vegetable mixture evenly over the batter. Drizzle about 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee around the edges, then let it cook until the base turns golden brown. Continue cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side, until the cheese is beautifully melted and bubbly, and the edges are crisp. Then, carefully flip the Uttapam and cook the other side for an additional 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring it's cooked through. Once golden and delicious, transfer your hot cheese Uttapam to a plate. Serve it immediately with your favorite coconut chutney or a warm bowl of sambar for a truly delightful meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.